You step into a building you've never visited before, but the layout feels immediately certain. You recognize the turn of the hallway and the height of the ceiling with a clarity that seems impossible. This happens in conversation too. You hear a sentence and feel as though you've heard those exact words, in that exact rhythm, in a moment you've already lived. We call this déjà vu, French for already seen. Because the sensation is so total and surreal, it often invites theories about past lives, premonitions, or glitches in time. These theories attempt to explain a genuine mystery: how the biological machinery in our heads can make a brand new present feel like a distant past. Human memory functions as a live, active processing system. It is a continuous mechanical construction of our surroundings, rather than a passive video recording. This processing network is where the illusion begins. Déjà vu occurs when a temporary error disrupts how these nodes handle incoming data. By examining 3 specific points of failure in this pipeline, we see exactly how the brain accidentally manufactures the feeling of a memory. These errors offer a rare, direct window into the invisible mechanics that build our everyday perception. This chart shows the brain's dual action process, absorbing sensory data while scanning internal databases. Normally, a match triggers familiarity and retrieves a memory, but when misfiring, the brain signals familiarity while the connection to the stored memory is missing. You are left with the powerful emotional weight of recognition, but lack the contextual facts required to explain where that feeling comes from. This separation proves that familiarity and memory retrieval are distinct neurological functions that can, under certain conditions, become unlinked. Our human perception relies on extreme synchronization. Different brain regions must work in perfect harmony to create a single, smooth, conscious experience. The timing error theory suggests a split-second delay in one processing stream breaks harmony. Because of this lag, the exact same sensory information is effectively received twice, separated by a fraction of a millisecond. The conscious mind has already registered the first signal. When the second, delayed signal arrives, the brain flags it as something that has already happened. Our grip on the present is entirely dependent on this synchronization. A millisecond lag is enough to transform a current observation into a false history. The brain is a pattern recognition engine, scanning your environment for specific layouts, lighting, and object arrangements. The temporal lobes, highlighted here, scan incoming wireframes of your environment and attempt to match them against everything you've ever seen. A brand new room might share structural similarities with a place from your distant past, an experience you can no longer consciously remember. When the temporal lobes detect these hidden overlaps, they flood the brain with recognition before the conscious mind can identify the original source. In this instance, the brain successfully identifies a spatial pattern faster than the conscious mind can provide the necessary context. If these errors are so convincing, why does the feeling of repeating time always vanish after a few seconds? The illusion breaks the moment the slower, conscious parts of the brain finish their full analysis of the situation. Real memories require specific anchors: people, dates, or locations. Déjà vu provides only the feeling of a memory, leaving an empty frame where the details should be. Your conscious brain notices this lack of data. It realizes there is no evidence to support the familiarity, and it forces the system to accept that the moment is new. This rapid self-correction is a vital defense mechanism, maintaining our functional grip on reality. Memory is a fragile, real-time reconstruction, constantly being built, compared, and stored. While it's tempting to view déjà vu as a supernatural event, the biological reality is arguably more impressive. These moments offer a rare chance to feel the mechanical gears of your own perception slipping for just a few seconds. These fleeting glitches remind us that our seamless experience of the world is an incredible, active construction maintained by the brain.